Hi children, today we will discuss about manures. Okay, manures, acids and bases. In that lesson having one more topic, manures. Okay, so manures are kindly two types. What are the two types? Biomanures and chemical manures. Okay, biomanures and chemical manures. Biomanures mean they get plants and animals. Okay, otherwise these manures otherwise called as organic manure. Organic manure. Organic mean plants and animal wastes. Plants and animal wastes belongs to biomanure. Otherwise it is called as organic manure. Here chemical manure. Chemical manure mean they get from chemicals. That's why otherwise called as artificial manure. Artificial manure. And artificial manure and otherwise called as inorganic manure. Artificial and inorganic manure. Okay, inorganic manure. Here organic means get from plants and animal wastes. Here only chemicals. Okay, these two are belongs to manures. And here biomanures. In these manures in the early farmers are used biomanures. And then the soil will be increase their fertility. Mean fertile soil. Okay, unfit for growing crops at the time. Whenever used these manures added to soil to increase their soil fertility. Mean to increase the nutrients and growing crops. Okay, with the help of biomanures. Nowadays, using chemical manures. Okay, farmers are only preferred chemical manures. That's why the soil will change to acidity and basicity. Mean those chemicals having acids and bases. Acids and bases. That's why the soil will change to acidity. Acidity of soil. Acidity of soil. Sometimes basicity. Mean basic nature. Basicity of soil. Change it by these inorganic manures. Inorganic mean chemicals. They having so many types of chemicals. They affected the soil. After few days, whenever you use these manures regularly, at that time the soil unfit for growing of crops. Okay. So that's why farmers are prefer the which is the best manure biomanures. Okay. Next, manures are having so many types of salts are there. Salts mean substance, some of the substance. Okay, they are crystal form or powder form like that. So, for example, chemical manures are urea, next potassium and nitrogen, etc. These are the different kinds of salts. These salts are belongs to inorganic manures, otherwise artificial manure or chemical manures. Okay, so this is the types of manures. Okay, so here acidic substance and basic substance are acidic solutions and basic solutions get together and forming neutralizing solution. Neutralizing solution. Acidic solution, okay, plus basic solution gives rise neutralizing solutions. Neutralizing, they are mixed with both acids and bases. Acids and bases are mixed afterwards. They are forming neutralizing solutions. Okay, so for example, in previous topic already learned. What is that acidic solution? Main hydrochloric solution and acid, acidic solution and caustic soda. Caustic soda belongs to basic solution. Okay, so these two combine and forming neutralizing solution. Neutralizing means they contain both characters, acidic characters and basic characters. Okay, actually here acid or react with bases. Afterwards, they are forming salts. Okay. So here acids plus bases gives rise salts. Okay. These salts only produced from depending on ratio of acid or ratio of bases, and the remaining times forming neutralizing solutions like that. Okay, so that is characters of acids and bases. Here forming salts are some acidic characters, some salts are having basic characters. Salts are the two types, main acidic salts, and here also forming basic salts. Okay, so here identified with the help of color indicators. What are the color indicators? Already you know that blue litmus and red litmus. Here take one blue litmus paper, keep on the salt. Okay, blue litmus, keep on the salt, such type of salt. Afterwards, change to color. Which color? Red color. Red. Blue to red. Okay. So this is the providing salt is acidic character. Okay. These characters are having in that such type of salt. And next to basic salt. Basic salt, these salts keep on another litmus paper. What is the color? Red color. Red. Afterwards, it's changed to blue color. Whenever getting blue, so those salts are having basic characters. Okay. So this is the function of acidic and acids and bases. Okay. So this is the acidic salts and basic salts can identified by litmus papers. Litmus papers. Already you know that litmus papers. How many colors litmus papers? Two colors. First one is blue and the second one is red. Okay. Blue in use of acidic salts. Red color litmus paper used to basic salts. Okay. So this is the different types of acids and bases. Preparation of some pickles. Preparation of some pickles. Okay, you know that lemons, mango, like that. So they are having some sour paste. So such type of acid is citric acid. Citric acid. Sorry. So here having pickles are having some such type of acids. They are the acetic acid. Acetic acid. Next, bases. Bases. Second one is removal of grease stain. Removal of grease stains. Okay. Using of one of the base. That base is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is a base, basic liquid. So whenever used in that removal of grease stains, at that time easily removed. So that is one of the base. And the next here one more salt, food preservation. Food preservation. Main storage of food using common salt. Common salt. You know that common salt means in our daily food curries you should use the common salt. So that otherwise called as tasting salt. Okay. Next another one, preparation of another food material, pulihora or lemon rice. So that one having one of the acid. That one is citric acid. Citric acid. Okay. Preparation of food material. What is that? Pulihora or lemon rice having one of the acid and citric acid. Next to one more food material is cool drink. Cool drink. Okay. Cool drinks also having some of the acids. So they are the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. And next the fourth one material, manures and batteries. Manures mean in previous topic learned. So that is manures. In that manures are having some acids. Which acids are there? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. And the next fifth one, medicines and some dyes like that. So they are having hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And next sixth one, explosives. Explosives mean some in a Diwali festival time, at the time they are using some crackers like with having large sound. So they are explosives. At the time those materials are having nitric acid. Nitric acid. Okay. So there are the different types of acids in particular places. Okay, food materials and some other things. Other things mean sulfuric acid, manures, one of the salt, hydrochloric acid. So this is the one of the batteries and some dyes like that. Explosives. Explosives mean which acid having nitric acid like that. Okay. So and next another one bases. Soaps contains soaps. Okay. Soaps contains potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. They are the types of bases having in soaps. And next bleaching powder. Bleaching powder contains calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So that's the bleaching powder having in it. Next fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers contain. They have one type of base, aluminium hydroxide. Okay, so there are the different bases used in different places. And next salts. Only one salt is there, common salt, and one more salt is washing soda. Main washing clothes. Washing soda. Otherwise detergent powder. Otherwise it is called as detergent powder. It contains one of the salt. Okay. First common salt, second one detergent salt or washing soda, and next one more salt is baking soda. Baking soda used in food items. Which food item? Cool drinks and cakes. Okay, they use the baking soda. Okay, so they are the different kinds of salts in different places. Okay, acids, bases, and salts. Okay, so this is the topic, different types of acids and bases and salts. So you should learn the table from textbook. Okay, thank you children.